I'm going to show you how to block ads on YouTube completely for free in 2024. If you find this video helpful, subscribe to the channel, download and install Microsoft Edge, and go to this website right here, Microsoft Edge add-ons. Once this website has been loaded, you want to type in this, YouTube ad blocker. And once this has loaded, you want to scroll down and then see this, click it, and click get. In this case, it's going to ask you if you want to add this extension, so click add. Now once downloaded, you can click the X and click this icon, so CV add extension, and you can click this to show in the toolbar. Now once you click the add-on, it's currently enabled, but we're going to disable it, and I'm going to show you how this will disable YouTube ads. As you can see on the screen, there's an ad because, well, I'm going to click skip. And now if we go back to the extension and we click on it, we can now enable the ad block for YouTube so that we will not see any ads.
I am your friend, Dr. Charles Apokin.
And now, as you can see, there are no ads for YouTube. Check out the playlist for more videos like this and subscribe to the channel for more content.